right, so today we're going to be talking about getting free money with Coinbase, and this is how. Now, whether you heard of Coinbase or not, if you don't know about cryptocurrency, this exchange platform, if you don't know nothing about stock, it doesn't matter, okay? Because time is going to go on with or without you. And we are moving into a digital currency, as you know, like who really writes checks at the bank? Don't nobody do that. Like nowadays, you can easily, in Chicago, you can easily go to a grocery store, liquor store, convenience store, and find a Bitcoin ATM where you can do an exchange. Countries like in Central America, Salvador, where Bitcoin is their currency. It's not even paper money. Right now, the money that you utilize is literally backed by nothing. Nothing. It's just a promise to pay, but it's just a legal form rather than just writing a little piece of paper doing a promise to pay, right? IOU. It's just a more legal IOU, but it's really not backed by nothing. Cryptocurrency, the exchange platform, is honestly, that's just going to be the trading value of the future. It honestly is. So I'm going to tell you how to get free Coinbase stock, okay? And listen, if you have an iPhone, an Apple phone, it's no reason you don't have Apple stock. How many of us got Apple stock? Raise your hand, because I'm raising my hand right now. Raise your hand, and if you not, tell me why not. Because you should be, right? It should be an equal exchange. Obviously, we're not going to be able to make the same value like an owner, a CEO, but you definitely want to have some equity in a company. Is it a risk in stock? Of course it is. It's a risk in every day of our lives. It's a risk when you get in a car. It's a risk when you don't pay rent. It's a risk when you are a paycheck away from your livelihood, right? There's a risk in inflation and as being citizens in this country, in this corporation. So yes, there is risk. And because there is risk, you don't really want to pay for stock, right? You want to partner with companies like Coinbase. Keep in mind, it's not many. So let's get into it. Thank you for listening to my rant. By the way, if you listen this long, you might as well subscribe, right? So subscribe. All right. What is Coinbase? For those who do not know, Coinbase is an online platform or app where you can buy and sell Ethereum and Bitcoin and other currencies. It is one of the crypto exchange platforms around since 2012, and is actually one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange trading volume in the US. So you can get free money with Coinbase by checking your email, checking alerts from Coinbase. Oftentimes we have notifications set for social, but I don't have any notifications set for socials because I really don't care about what's going on in other people's life. I have my notifications alerts set for Coinbase and other companies similar to Coinbase. If you are not signed up with Coinbase, by the way, I do have the link for you in the description. If you are already a member of Coinbase, you may often get notifications from them called Learn and Earn. So this is where they invite you. I'll actually show you examples, real-time examples of these emails. The value that you'll earn vary. Please do share if you know any other companies that pay you to learn. Here they are paying me $3 just to earn Ethernet chains. If you are familiar, then great. If you are not, then they're paying you. So take advantage, because a lot of times this does not happen. It's mad rare. And keep in mind that with Coinbase, you have numerous options on this platform. You can buy, sell, transfer, and store your digital currency, which I recommend just storing. Although you can sell it and get the revenue, but you really just want to store it. All right, so let's get a little bit more in depth on Coinbase Learn and Earn. So once you go into your app or online, whichever one, you have the 4 tabs in the bottom, which is your home, asset, trade, and pay. You want to go to your assets to find your Learn and Earn. Here you will find your balance, how much you have learned up to date on your APY, which is your annual percentage yield, which is basically the real rate of return earned on your investment. So you also want to go to your asset to find it. On there, you will also see how much you own on each company, with each company. And did you know that you can also borrow cash using your Bitcoin as collateral? Exactly. This is why it's important to store. Don't let this be your source of income. This is added on, okay? And just so you know how trill and real I am about this, these are all my emails with my offering, my rewards, and etc. And if you know about the about the Coinbase wallet, OMG. If you're not, comment and let me know, and I can do my next video on it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.